What is happening, everybody? And welcome back to the channel. So, you ever had a set of seats and they're like a little dirty and you always wanted to like try to clean them? You try to clean them, you try to scrub them, and it may come out clean, but not the best. I got something for you because I have to clean. I know I started cleaning one of these. I just can't remember which Recaro seat it was. I believe it was this one. Yeah, see? Started cleaning it. It actually came out real clean. I didn't clean down here, I don't think. I started cleaning it up a little bit. But I'm going to show you how I actually clean these. So it's real easy. I seen this thing all over Instagram and I wasn't like sure of it. So I said, you know what? Let me buy one. I cleaned it with one of these things, and this thing really works. I'm not even lying to you. So let's pull out one of my seats because I have to end up cleaning it. And by the way, the Integra is painted. Shh. That's coming up on another vlog. So let's grab a seat and let's get started. Check it out. You see how the sides have like dirt marks on it? Let me see if I could. Yeah, there you go. See how the sides got like dirt marks on it here and there. Even down here has dirt spots. I really hate how this camera focuses. Got dirt spots over there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just take this bottle. Put your detergent in it, like I said, mix it up. Yeah, you see that Chinese brand on there? That I don't even remember where I got this from. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think I saw it on Instagram, like I said, and I ended up ordering it for like $30 or probably even less. I had this thing for a while, and I actually started using it on these seats, and it actually works. So you have to have shop air in order to, clean your seats up or whatever you're cleaning. And this thing actually works on a lot of things interior because it blows out like a mist and it doesn't shoot out a lot of, whatever's in the bottle. It just shoots out like a mist, and you can, like, if you leave it there for a while, you can soak the spot up so you could, get it soaking. And it's all basically like almost like a power washer, but it shoots out mist. It doesn't shoot out like a power washer, or else I think a power washer would probably actually tear up those seats. So let me grab the shop hose, hook my air line up, and then we get started on these seats. So like I was saying, it only sprays out like, I might have to put more. Another nigga. So now, check this out. Remember how dirty the seat was before? Now it's actually pretty clean. And I saw this thing so many times on Instagram, and I'm just, in my head, I'm like, man, probably don't do that much work. But I said, let me just get one and try it out. And it actually cleaned my Recaro seat. So if you rewind and look how dirty the seat was before, or if you want to look here, you could tell like it's doing the job. And just with that little thing, just put a little bit of detergent in it or something, and it cleans your seats like brand new, dog. Literally, that's all I did just to clean the Recaro seats. Just that little air blower and a little bit of detergent and some wool, and you get this reaction. I can't wait to throw these seats in my Integra. Oh, I have SI for the 9th gen. I have brackets for universal seats, so if anybody needs the brackets, let me know. I will sell them. I have to take them off because they're going in the Integra, and they're not the same bolt hole. So if you are looking to throw seats in your 9th gen, DM me, let me know. I have the universal brackets. I believe I spent, I want to say 200 on them, but I don't remember. I could have spent less, but I'll give you a good deal on the seat brackets. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys for this vlog. I just wanted to show you how to get your seats icy again. You know what I mean? Car season coming up. I still gotta finish this seat. I just did a little down here. I didn't do that side, but if you guys remember, this side was all dirty, and it took all that out. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I clean my Recaros. And I know a lot of you, even me, when I was trying to figure out how to clean these Recaros, when I got these Recaros from Japan, I couldn't figure out a damn clue how to clean them. So I've been searching on YouTube, been searching on everything. Everyone say just take a cloth and take it out the car, take a hose and soak it. These, I don't know about that. So I told myself I'm gonna find a way one day. I'm gonna just wait until the day comes and I'll just clean them. And it happened to be that I'm getting ready to sell this, and I'm putting this back to, well, it's really back to stock now. And I said, you know what, might as well just try to clean them now. So I said, let me just try this gun. I bought the gun off of, I believe I bought it off of Amazon, or I saw it on Instagram. I don't know, it got some Chinese lettering. So if you know how to read that and find out, I'm pretty much sure you can find it because it's everywhere. So that's all I use. Detergent, laundry detergent, and water. Mix it up, wash it out. Good. But you have to have shopper. You get a compressor from Harbor Freight if you want to, and start hosing down your seats. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get ready to edit this video. If you like this video, hit that like button down there. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Stay tuned for that Teggy. Stay tuned for that Integra, because it's done. It's done. But I should be getting it back soon. So stay tuned for that vlog, and I'm out.